This will be probably the last time I film in this garden, and that feels really weird to say. Hello and welcome to Sproutlogic Gardening. Now I promise this isn't some sort of video just to trick you into viewing. I am quite literally leaving here, and this is the last time I'll be filming in this garden. Now if you've been watching recently, you know I started a mini-series about how to move a garden. So the more videos to come on that. This is kind of the final filming here, but this is the move that still needs to be filmed. So yeah, it is quite bittersweet for me. You know, I look around and I think about the memories that I literally planted here and spent with my family. You know, breaking ground when I first moved here, trying new plants and things that I never would have messed with. Going away from vegetables and moving more towards flowers. I used to be more of a vegetable gardener, and then I switched over to flowers and really started enjoying that a lot more. Now it's a mix. I have a little bit of vegetable, but it's mainly 99% flowers in my garden. Learned a lot here along the way. You know, I can think of a couple key lessons right off the bat. Number one, don't be afraid to restart. Tear it down to the ground, go back to basics. If things aren't working, make the change. It's well worth it. Number two, don't be afraid to experiment. Experiments go both ways. Sometimes you learn something new that's exciting and some plant that worked that you never would think would work. Other times I've also learned that things that should work great were an absolute disaster in the garden. That's nature, that's gardening in itself, right? Lastly, the most important one for me, let wildlife into your garden. Plant things that attract bees, butterflies, other pollinators and things, and even allow birds into your garden. When you allow nature in, it completes the full cycle, protects your plants, helps your garden. Sometimes things nibble on stuff, and that's okay, that's natural, and that happens. But believe me, it's really rewarding. Now, this journey, while it's coming to an end here at Short Meadow, something new is coming, and I'm excited to share that with you. Please join me on the next couple videos as we finish this move. We literally break ground at our new location and start from the ground up. I'll be able to do things I was never able to do before. Literally have beds in the ground, plant in different locations. The garden is south-facing, perfectly set up to be a great experiment, and we're gonna learn a lot together. Now, of course, as always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Take it easy.